What's up, guys? Miguel here from Store and Tech. We're doing a quick unboxing here. I got the OCOOPA rechargeable hand warmers. So we're just gonna do a quick unboxing and see what is in here. So I actually purchased these with my own funds. Truthfully, my hands are always freezing, and I picked these up for $20 on Amazon, thinking that it would be a good idea. And taking you in to see what exactly we get with this. So far, it feels heavy. Let's just take these out. Okay. All right. So on the bottom, we have some hand wrists. We have a nice pouch. The actual pouch is pretty nice. And then we have a USB. Oh, we have two. Oh, it's a splitter. It's a USB-A to a splitter USB-C. Let's take that focus. There you go. That's pretty cool. And I think that's it. We have the manual here. Single press. So it has 3 heat levels. Okay. 3 heat levels. Recharging. It's supposed to last on like low for 8 hours on a single charge, which seems pretty impressive, right? So let's put this over here. Let's take a look. So these here are like rubber, or rubberized. They're elastic. Let's take a look at this. Oh, there's more. Interesting. I think they're supposed to, yeah, they're magnetic too. So they have magnet. The magnet doesn't seem too strong. Seems like if you wobble it enough, they'll come apart. But all right. So that's the battery indicator, I believe. We got 2. All right, let's see. Let's try turning them on. And just for, I don't know what part heats up. I'm assuming it's this. So we're going to take some. All right, so that's 86, 85. Turn around. That's 84. Same thing with this. 86. 85. All right, so let's turn them on and see. Oh, it's right on level 3. All right. Let's do level 1 first. Oh, it's the top. So it's actually this part actually gets warm. Let's see. Oh, there it goes. 107. 108. Oh, at least it's consistent on both, right? Oh no, it's going down. That's actually feels really nice. So it's this whole top thing that gets warm. Okay. All right, so let's bump it up to level 2. All right, we're climbing. We're climbing. 116. A little bit of a difference. Maybe not. 113. So what I think is happening is that it heats up and then it cools down. And then it heats up and cools down. So let's see what it gets to. 118. And then it starts cooling down. Right. So it doesn't keep it at 118. It'll heat up the element and then probably turn it off. Heat up the element and then turn it off. Let's see if it goes back up to 118. And here it goes back up. And that's what it's doing. Oh, that's actually pretty cool to know. So we know that it cycles through. Okay, so it goes up to 118. Once it reaches 118, then it goes back down. Very cool. All right, let's see how these feel. Oh man, this is actually almost too hot. Yeah, these are, I mean, they feel nice, but they almost feel like they're hurting my skin, to tell you the truth. Maybe I have sensitive skin. Yeah, level 2 is a little too much for me. All right. Can't, I don't know what level 3 is. A hot plate? I'll cook eggs on this thing. All right, let's see what we get up to. That's crazy. 126. Will it reach 130? All right, so 127 is how hot it gets. So it gets 127 degrees. That's pretty crazy. I mean, I don't know, but it didn't feel comfortable at, at the second level. Back up. So it reaches 127 and then it turns off. All right, so that's what it's doing. 127 turns off. Let's put them together. I mean, if you put them together, it's like a nice, yeah, that's a little too hot for me. Maybe it's meant to put in a sock or something. Put it into your pocket before. I don't know if this is meant for direct skin contact here, because this is way too hot. Let's turn it off for a little bit. Okay, so let's. Oh, we got the USB charger hidden here. That's where it is. Okay, let's see how much power it draws from charging the elements, just out of curiosity. All right, so we're going to hook up this little bad boy and see what kind of power draw it gets. See if it even fits in here. Okay, there it goes. Almost felt like I broke something. Yeah. There we go. All right, so what do we got here? All right, so we got 5.6 volts. 1 amp. All right, so seems relatively slow to charge. Again, they say if you put it on low, it's supposed to last 8 hours, and this is coming in at $20. So let's see. I mean, it says heat up time 5 seconds. I believe that it's already hot. 8 hours. It has 2,500 milliamp hour per unit, like the battery, which is pretty good for a battery. It is about, I don't know, 2 centimeters thick. It says that it's aluminum shell, but it actually feels more like a plastic rather than aluminum. Now, it does have the safety certified. It's UL safety certified temperature control chip, which I believe, because we just saw that going. And it's got let's see, the pouch. Let's see. It's pretty thin, magnetic. Now, like I showed before, you could use them together, right? So let's unplug this. Take that out. So you could actually use them together for one hand, right? Because the elements are here and there. Or you could just, you know, if your fingers are cold, do something like this. And again, the magnet is not too strong. Like it's like the magnet is mostly on this side, and these don't kind of stay. Um, let's see. I mean, they're pretty good. You know, like it feels pretty good. I can't wait to try them. Truthfully, I got these because my hands are always freezing from taking like you know, Zepbound or Manjaro. Like my hands get like completely frozen. So this is something I was looking to get for a little bit. So, you know, again, but this would be nice. You know, what would be nice if you put them in your pocket, you put them on high in your pocket, and then if you're about to go outside or whatever the case is, you put it in your pocket and your pocket's nice and warm. So um, I don't know. Anyway, I just wanted to share. I I picked them up for 20 bucks on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. They seem pretty decent. I'm gonna test them out and then report back after a while and see how it went. Um, they come in different colors too. Uh, I don't know. They seem like nifty little gadgets. Anyway, guys, this was just a quick unboxing review of these things. So far, they seem pretty good. They heat up really nicely. We're going to test the battery life and see how long, if it really does last 8 hours on low. So stay tuned for a follow-up video. Again, take care, guys.